Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V40s, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, capture mode, we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. They are right here, so let's tap on it. And here all we have to do is to simply scroll down to the photo settings section and find the countdown duration. As you can see, it should be on the 5th position. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. So obviously we've got the off option, which is currently applied, but we can set 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay. As you can see, after tapping on it, it will be immediately applied. Here we've got this small 10 number, so now we can go back to the camera. Unfortunately, it is not visible here, so in order to check if we've got the timer, we will have to, of course, before taking the photo, we will have to go to the settings. So what we have to do right now, only tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course, if you will pick 3 seconds delay, it will count down from 3, and it simply took a photo. So of course, if you want, you can turn off the countdown. Just tap on it, tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your ZTE Blade V40s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.